think?
We need something quick, man. We don't have a lot of time left.
I know.
Guys, I've got it. I've got the script.
Awesome, let me see.
No, me first. Tifa always says that I love Cloud a bunch of times in fancy letters.
What?
Wrong one.
Seriously, another bloody Final Fantasy VII script? Should you guys be making another cell phone commercial?
And you have a better idea?
Of course. Renella?
We're no strangers to love.
No!
We're not doing a Rickroll.
No, Reno, we can't do what we did last year.
Oh, come on, it's not that bad. Okay, enough. I'm ending this before we shame both our games. We're gonna give you up. Never read me. No, this is my one chance to shine. I've fallen into obscurity for underfed pretty boys and swords the size of Volkswagens. No, fine. Be that way.
Nice. Monica. Where'd you get that? By Monica, I need
Hand
drinks.
this over to me. I don't know why, but I mean, I'm not going to be as harsh a critic on fight choreography as Ruby is. But so, like, to me, well, I don't know. We saw you guys practicing outside of Monica's room that day. So we were wondering what you were concocting. Speaking of concoctions.
Make sure you drink enough water, folks.
Heyo! It was very entertaining. It was cool. Oh, 9. I'm gonna give you a 9.
Yeah, so I'm a cheap buy, and I definitely love the Death Note shout out. And since it waylaid everybody on the stage, you get a 9.
The choreography was great. I think it could have been enhanced with some sound effects. Maybe next year you can try putting some sound effects in your skit. Otherwise, you know, the stomp on the ground, the old pro wrestling, you know, trick that worked for the ending. So I'm gonna give it a 9 as well.
It's just for you three guys. I don't know why I do that.
Right this way.
Thanks, guys. Great set. Oh, I had the finale. Finally.